You want to see something different? This is different. I've actually seen these buffalo before. I'm pretty sure it's the same ones I had in a different video one other time I was here. They're walking. It's not very deep water. And the guy's in the boat. Look at that. That's how you herd water buffalo. If you call them that. Here they're just buffalo. Look at that. How cool is that? I'm sure it's the same ones because it's got the white ones in there. There's 4 or 5 white ones. That is something else, yeah? I wonder how far. Oh, they're swimming now. The ones in the front are swimming. That is too cool, man. I assume the guy knows where all the nets are. There's a lot of nets in this lake. You never know what you're going to see in Thailand, that is for sure. It's a long way away. Amazing. There's a motorbike outside. Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it now? It's those buffalo. These are the buffalo we saw swimming in the lake. What do you think?